To get an understanding of this knife and how absurd it is compared to Civivi's lineup, I need to go a bit wider and then provide a visual aid. Now that size difference is not insignificant. First, let's get this guy out of here. It's not your video, man. All right, so let's talk about the functionality. So let's talk about the functionality of this knife and his brothers. So as a point of comparison, if you want to keep this in your pocket, you got a little ways to go still, and you will need some deep pockets, sir. However, the pocket clip is not too shallow, so you can actually get it in there and it won't be awkward to hold in whatever you choose to store it, whether it be a pocket, a backpack, a bag, or just in a toolbox or on a display case somewhere. Also, this little lanyard hole I kind of appreciate, and I think it might lean towards what Civivi are thinking this knife could be useful for. Who knows? Your imagination is better than theirs. So as far as opening and closing this knife goes, you're given several different methods of opening this knife, all of which work just fine, and depending on what hand you prefer or what you're comfortable with, there might be some options for you. As handles go, we obviously have G10, micarta, and G10. And I actually really like the little ridges they gave this thing, especially in the ivory one. It really makes the colors pop and stand out. And if you wanted to get creative with the micarta one, I know some people who absolutely have taken some very clever liberties. What I have noticed is that the pocket clip is limited to one side, though I think the lanyard hole might be them trying to introduce an element of ambidextrous carry, though if you're left-handed, let me know how you feel about that. Also, if you're at the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. If you want to, there's a subscribe option down below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one.